comes the wind, and the dust is getting closer to us. This is back in the backyard. There's the dust getting ready to come up over us, covering the mountains.
Mark, I'm gonna get my eye.
The wind is picking up. You can't see anything anymore. You can't see any of the mountains.
And it's raining.
There's the dust. And it's here it comes.
Oh my goodness, I can feel
We're
it.
supposed to have winds of 70 miles per hour. It's going to get crazy.
I can already feel the dust.
Oh,
I like
goodness gracious.
Turn around if we need to.
And here comes the rain.
Oh my god, it's got so cold.
It just got really cold, yes, it did. Like, the air was really hot, like,
Well, like hot dogs.
like 90 degrees. Like hot dogs. Oh, and here it comes! Here it comes! It's to us! It's
I'm
here!
so fire! I'm so fire too!
The lightning's probably